Good afternoon to you and welcome to your Midday Sports. I'm Spencer Darlington. Calabar's Kobe Lawrence and St. Jago's Demaria Prince were winners in the morning session on the opening day of the 127th Penn Relays at Franklin Field in Philadelphia. Lawrence registered 20.93 meters in the shot put, while Shaquan Dunn of St. Jago finished third with 18.07 meters. St. Jago's Prince cut the sand at 7.42 meters in the long jump, with Kingston College's Nathan Wade ending third with 7.22 meters. Meanwhile, TVJ Sports understands that a protest has been lodged against Jamaica College following their victory in Heat 3 of the boys' 4x800 meters relay this morning. It's understood that an athlete who was ineligible for boys' champs was used, which by Penn relay rules would also rule him out of competing at the relay carnival. The Dark Blues had the fastest time in qualifying, having done 7 minutes at 49.29 seconds to win their heat. And Kingston College took Heat 4 in 7 minutes 54.29 seconds with a team of Chevron Wardlow, Brian Kiprop, Jacqueline Coke and Ainsley Campbell. St. Elizabeth Technical are also through to the final after their second place finish in Heat 1 in 7 minutes 55.96 seconds. Action will continue later today with the sprint and mile relay heats for boys, while the girls will bow into action on Friday. Intermittent coverage of the Penn Relays can be heard on Hits 92 FM from today through to Saturday. The first of a two-day Under-20 Reggae Boyz squad ends camp today at the Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence, and head coach of the team, John Wall, says this is a new approach for feeding the senior team as well as improving the quest for age group qualification. The Under-20 World Cup is slated for Argentina next month, and despite Jamaica's non-qualification, Wall says the camp is a stepping stone for the program.
The purpose is to make it do more frequently. It's just the one-time bang, like the tournament build-up like Jamaica's been doing in the past. That doesn't lead you to longer improvement. I think by being more linear and more into it on a frequent basis is actually going to pay its dividends. Obviously, that's going to not show instantly, and it's going to be a course of a longer time. But for every decision we make on a youth level, it takes about 5 to 7 years before you can actually see the evidence of it. That's the game that you're playing.
The camp has 15 players, including schoolboy football standout Malachi Douglas, as well as under-17 captain Aher Dixon. And that's it for the Midday Sports Report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.